Hi boys and girls, we're back again for another math lesson. And if you notice, I have the chart that we used yesterday. So I just wanted to review a couple things that we talked about yesterday so that we can build on what we know and talk about today. Okay, so don't forget, these points right here are called endpoints. Okay, and we use these hash marks to help us divide our number line. Yesterday we divided our number line to help us understand that we made 4 equal parts. And so today we're actually going to start labeling these hash marks in order to count off our fourths. So if you look today, our learning target is I can partition a number line and label the number line. Okay, so today we're going to actually label our number line with some fractions. Okay, so let's get a number line drawn. So I'm going to mark my endpoints. Remember, I am at 0 because I have nothing. And then we're going to go to 1. Okay. So, we're going to break this line into 3 equal parts, or thirds. Okay, so I'm going to do the best I can to kind of mark that off. So we'll put a line here, and then we'll put a line here. Okay, so I've made 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's look at how to use fractions to actually label this number line. If you look right here where this 0 is, we actually have nothing here like we talked about yesterday. Right above, right here where this hash mark is, there's no line. Okay, so we would say that we have 0 and we broke our number line into 1, 2, 3 pieces. We have 0 thirds, where there's nothing there. Okay. If you, whoop, my purple is not working out very well. Let me use a different color. If you move over 1/3, okay, you can see I've shaded one part of this number line, so we would be at 1/3. Notice I'm putting my labels where my hash marks are, okay, because that tells me that marks off the space. Okay, and I'm going to color another one of my thirds. Okay, so now you can see I've got 1/3, and if I move down the number line, now I'm actually at 2/3. Okay, when I get to this red hash mark. So I'm going to mark that spot on the number line. I'm at 2/3. And if I move over one more spot, okay, we're going to mark that. So let's color that in. So I've got 1/3 right here. I've got 2/3, and if I move over to my next hash mark or red line, I'm at 3/3. Whoops. And we should know that if we have 3/3, that puts us at 1 whole. We're at 1 whole line or item that we're working with, shape. Let's look at one more example. I'm going to mark my line, 0 and 1. Okay, now I'm going to partition my number line into 6 equal pieces. 6 equal pieces. So first I'm going to make thirds. Okay, and then I'm actually going to break my thirds in half. And hopefully that should give me 6 equal pieces. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So now we're going to start actually labeling each piece. So if you remember, when we're at 0, you can see right here, there is no line right here. There's nothing. So we have 0. And remember, our line is broken into 6 pieces, so we have 0, 6. Okay. If we move over to our next, whoopsies, if we move over to our next red line, okay, we move over, we have 1 part or 1/6 of our number line. We're at 1/6, that's 1 piece. And notice I'm marking my fractions, trying to put them as close to above that hash mark as I can. Okay, we're gonna move over again. Okay, I'll color that little piece in. And you can see we have 1, now we have 2/6. And I'm doing the best that I can to put that fraction right above that hash mark so that I can see I've got 1, 2, 6. I'm going to color in one more time. And I've got 1, 2. Now I've got 3, 6. Okay. So we're going to keep going. This would be 4, 6. Then I've got another 6, so that's 5, 6. And when I get to 1, that should be my whole line, or 6, 6. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.